This is Vuyane Primary School in Tsakane. The school has been closed since Monday after a number of COVID infections. Streets in the area have become playgrounds. Vuyane Primary School is not the only one. The nearby Tsakane Secondary School also affected by COVID. Concerned parents are calling for more transparency in the closure of schools.
So please, guys.
This thing kills and it exists. Let the schools be closed so that our children's lives are not endangered.
Frustration yami ilapho kakhulu ukuthi asikho safe at all, and they not being open enough. Githi some parents ukuthi hlalisana abantwana kancane sisalungisa, that will be understandable, but ukuqhubeka nje business as usual i-concern yami balapho.
While some parents call for the total closure of schools, school governing body FITSA says the government should not take a blanket approach.
The current directions make provision that schools in higher risk areas can be closed, and we appeal to the authorities that we make use of those. Doesn't make sense if we have a high risk area like Johannesburg North and we close the school in Polokwane, or we close the school in Pongola. So let's deal with the issues in the hotspots and still act in the best interest of all the learners.
Teacher Union Nabtoza says that while it's not calling for the summary closure of schools, the Department of Basic Education needs to look at the signs of the times.
We have to look at the signs of the times. And when we meet with Minister of Education, we will raise this issue, because it is time for us to look at not only the numbers, but also the mental health of teachers and the real fears that there are there, especially in Gauteng.
While the country awaits with bated breath at the address of Basic Education Minister Angie Motshekga, Education MECs will be sitting for a special CEM meeting with Basic Education to discuss their province's various challenges. Gauteng Education MEC Panyaza Lisufi says they will be seeking a special way to deal with their high infection numbers.
We have a meeting tomorrow with the minister. We'll argue our case there as Gauteng, because it's quite clear Gauteng is in a difficult situation, and we might need to be given some special way of handling this matter. We also have our provincial advisors. We'll share that information with them, and they will guide us. But it's a situation that we can't ignore now.
Minister Angie Motshekga is expected to address the country at 2 p.m. on Saturday. Mahlako Komane, SABC News, Johannesburg.